Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Nathan, and we're going to be talking about something in this video you should probably be paying attention to if you're into cryptocurrency and XRP. But before we do that, here's what we're doing. I'm going to do a giveaway, $100 every single week. Okay, total bullish giveaway. And all you got to do to enter, if you want to win, is like this video, subscribe to the channel so you get notified of future updates, comment below. Every single comment enters you into win, and then head over to totalbullish.com, and that's where you're going to sign up to the Make Money newsletter. And also that's where I'm going to be announcing the winner at the end of the week. So be sure to be subscribed to that. So without further ado, let's dive right into this and let's check it out.
Well, let me give you a little bit of my background so you understand why I'm a psychopath on gold and silver. You know, I love silver too. But as Warren Buffett once said, he says, you never ask an insurance agent if you need more insurance. And you should never ask a gold and silver bug if they should buy gold and silver, because the answer is always the same. You know, so when people talk to me, say, what should I do with my money? I said, buy gold and silver. I've been saying this for most of my life. And the reason for that is back in 1964, I started acquiring silver. And I started acquiring it when I noticed that copper tinge around dimes and quarters and half dollars. And that's Gresham's law, I believe. You know, when bad money enters the system, good money goes into hiding. So I hid that money. Except in 1964, I was still in high school. My mother spent it. And then I came across gold, and I wrote about it here in this book, Fake Money, Fake Teachers, Fake Assets. I flew for the U.S. Marine Corps in Vietnam, my second tour, and Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard in 1971, as everybody knows, on August 15th. So about 6 months later, I got a letter by snail mail from my rich dad, and I was flying off this carrier, and it says, hey, watch out, the world's going to change.
Any of you cryptocurrency hodlers know what snail mail is? That might be out of your time.
Nixon took the dollar off of gold. And I had no idea what gold meant. What was that mean? And as you know, David, back in 72 or 3, it was illegal for Americans to own gold. So we had no idea what it was. Yeah. So Marine pilots versus Air Force and Navy pilots, Marines aren't the brightest guys on earth. You know, we don't win any IQ awards. So we decided, my co-pilot and I decided we go look for gold. We read the map of Vietnam and say, oh, look, a gold mine. So as I describe in this book, Fake here, we fly behind enemy lines. It was only, we fly looking for this gold. The one problem was the enemy had overrun it. NVA had taken it. So we fly into this little village to look for gold. We disarm ourselves. We walk up to this little bamboo shack, and we start haggling for gold. And back then, gold was just passing about $48 an ounce. And I thought because the Vietnamese woman she had little red teeth and she chewed betel nuts.
So I recently invested in gold, and it was over, I think, $2,000 an ounce.
Because she was behind enemy lines, I could get a discount on gold. There was no discount. She said spot. She didn't speak any other words of English except spot. And I didn't know what spot meant. And so here I'm a college graduate. I don't know what spot means. I don't know what gold is. And I had to find out that the price of gold is the same all over the world back then. And so I had to wait until our carrier group sailed into Hong Kong. And while other guys were chasing dancing girls in Hong Kong, I went looking for gold in the streets of Hong Kong. I bought my first Krugerrand, and I still have that Krugerrand today. It's safely in storage outside of Switzerland, and that $50 Krugerrand is now worth about $2,000. So and one more thing is that I've started a gold mine in China and a silver mine in South America, in Argentina. And I took both companies public on the Toronto Stock Exchange through IPO. Mm-hmm. The silver mine is still operating, is doing very well. But the gold mine, once we struck gold in China, the Chinese government took it. So I don't have much love, right now for the Chinese Communist Party. That's how we live and learn. So am I a gold fanatic? Damn right I am. So if you ask me if you should buy gold, I don't care what the price is. What's his name? Harry Dent is calling for gold at $1,000. And I say, if it goes to 1,000, I'm going to buy more. And Schiff and Jim Rickards calling for gold at 15,000. It goes to 15,000. I'm going to buy more. And you guys know the reason. The reason is the Treasury and the Fed are corrupt. They're printing more fake money than ever before. So I'm going to keep buying more gold and silver, which I've been doing since I was a kid. So don't ask me if you should buy gold and silver. We all know why we're buying gold and silver. The Fed and the Treasury are corrupt.
All right. So for those of you who are in the cryptocurrency space, let's take a look at this. I have something that's really going to help you if you're looking for cash flow to invest into cryptocurrencies. And what's going on here? There we go. Got to have that dark mode activated. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of been bouncing around today. Earlier today, it was all down and now it appears to be going back up. XRP is actually up over 1% in the last 24 hours right now. But I want to share something with you guys as a way to learn a new skill set. Basically, you know, he's saying buy gold, and I don't go against that, but sometimes you don't have the investment to even buy gold. So how do you do that? You build skill sets so you can build your income. So I want to share something with you. Okay, we have something here, and it's to learn how to trade in the forex, foreign exchange. Okay, and so this right here is Epic University. Okay, and basically inside of this program you learn everything that you need to learn how to trade the markets in the forex exchange, right? And it's a skill set. It's a portable skill set that you can use. All right. So if you're looking to join us in this and you want to be a part of this program, all you have to do is go to totalbullish.com. I'll leave a link in the description. You'll also be signed up to the Make Money newsletter when you go there, which will allow you to be entered to win $100 every single week. All right. So I will see you guys on the next video. Be sure to subscribe.